In our daily life, every day we are coming across a new invention. Different invention of science have made our everyday life simple and stress-free as well. One of such invention is typewriter. Typewriter is a mechanical device to produce printed characters on a piece of paper by typing individual keys. Each one key have different single character to be produced on paper by striking an inked ribbon selectively against the paper with a type element. The first commercial typewriter were introduced in the year of 1879, but at that time typewriter did not become common in many places. After the mid 1880s, the typewriter became common in many places like office, library and so on. The typewriter quickly became an indispensable tool for practical all writing other than personal handwritten correspondence. It was widely used by professional writers in office, business correspondence, and in private homes, and also by students preparing term paper. The typewriter is one of the most revolutionary inventions in history. It brought speed to writers, productivity to office, and convenience to workers. It brought jobs to women, letters to friends, and computers to people. Wait, jobs to women? Well, here is something about typewriter and women's. The typewriter had a major impact on office life in the Western world and in the lives of women. It gave women jobs in the office, and the invention of typewriter plays a major role, eventually giving women economic power and equal position in labor force and a voice in business. Well, here is a question. How did the typewriter help the economy? Well, typewriter helped manufacturers, business offices grow in tandem with faster production and more extensive transportation networks. Well, here are some early typing instruments. In the year of 1575, an Italian printmaker, Francesco Rapazzetto, invented a machine called scrittura tattile to impress letters in papers. And in the year of 1801, Italian Pellegrino Turri invented a typewriter for his blind friend. And also in the year of 1802, Italian Agostino Fatoni developed a particular typewriter to enable his blind sister to write. In the year of 1829, American William Aston Burt patented a machine called typographer, which, in common with many early machines, it is listed as the first typewriter. The next is about Hansen writing ball. In the year of 1865, Rasmus Malling Hansen of Denmark invented the Hansen writing ball, which went into commercial production in 1870 and was the first commercially sold typewriter. The Hansen writing ball was produced with only uppercase characters. The typewriter had made a huge improvement on our lives. If the typewriter was not found, no one would have probably invented the computer. The computer is what we almost live on in this century.